What's up guys, this is TechBook Pro and today I got another great unboxing for you today, so let's get right into it. Alright, so what I have here is the Fong Lightsphere Collapsible kit, which is meant for fashion and commercial photography. So let's go around the box. It just right over here kind of has the branding, Fong Lightsphere Collapsible kit, fashion and commercial branding, and also has in a few more languages. Right down here it shows you the items that come inside the box, which is the carrying pouch, the Lightsphere Collapsible, an amber, white, and gray dome, a power snoot, 4 colored gels, and a instructional DVD. There is also a cute QR code with Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, so you could watch videos on how this works. There's just some more wording down here. Right over here we have a blank black side, another blank side, and on this side over here we have each of the products and the differences from what it normally is. So on top here we have again the branding, Fong, and the picture, and then right here we have some comparison images from a direct flash and using the collapsible light sphere with the dome. So that's up there, and there's also this one with the power snoot, a gray dome, amber dome, and then right down here are some of the color gels. So some of the differences and comparisons of why you would want to use a Fong light sphere. So let's go ahead and get right into this unboxing. Alright, so that was the outer box, so let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. So it's just a simple no tape box, which is wonderful. Just a flap, and it comes with some lime green tissue paper, which is nice. Nice added little touch. And so inside the box we have the carrying pouch, which contains everything that is inside. And then there is nothing else inside the box. So let's take a closer look at the carrying pouch. Alright, so the carrying pouch is very simple. It just has a little handle up here, and then a little clip right here, so you could hook it onto your existing camera backpack or bag or something, so it could just hang right in there. Fong branding, and it's just a simple bag and just one big zipper to go through everything that's inside. Alright, so everything inside, it looks like it is wrapped in green, so let's try to take everything else. So what you get here is you get your instructional DVD, which is nice, and then you get a whole bunch of these instructional cards that show you how to use everything and what settings to use and the best settings to get or to use with the provided equipment, which is wonderful. And so the next thing that we have inside here is our color gels. So our color gels are just inside this plastic bag, and it's just 4 colors. It's red, blue, a very light green, and kind of like a yellow-orange, just like that. And it has a little tab on the front right here and 2 tabs on the top and bottom, and I'll go ahead and show you how to install these once I get out everything else. So go ahead and set that off to the side. What else do we have here? Okay, so right here we have 2 of the domes. We have an amber dome, so it's great for sunsets, and there's a few more things on the sheet that I need to look at, but it's great for sunsets and pulling out darker skin tones, which is nice. And here is the gray one, which is good. This one could be is good for like a grayscale. What else do we have? Alright, so in here, this one is wrapped in green. So this one we have, get rid of that. We have the white dome, which is probably the one that's going to be used the most. And this one's also good for white balance as well. And then we also have the collapsible unit. So this is the light sphere. And so what you would do is you would go ahead and put your flash inside here. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate this in just a minute. But you go ahead and put your flash in there, strap it down with these Velcro straps, and then you'll have your light sphere. So I'll demonstrate that in just a second. And the last piece that is inside the bag is the honeycomb grid for your snoot. And this is also wrapped in as well. Okay, so this one is same, it's almost exactly the same, it's just black, but this one is used with the honeycomb snoot, and this one's very good for like a telephoto lens, and you're trying to focus a beam of light to one specific area. So I'll go ahead and clean up a little bit and I'll show you a demonstration. Okay, so let me demonstrate on how to install the Lightsphere. So here is what it looks like. It's just like a TPU or a really thick rubber, but it feels really nice, and it's collapsible, so well, I'll show you that in a second. So this one is the 5th generation, so it has a Velcro strap to help secure it to any size flash head. So what you do is you'll just, let's see, we'll just go ahead and pop that open, open up this Velcro strap, pop this over the flash head, and this should fit most of your flash heads, just like that. And then you go ahead and just tighten that down. Make that really tight. And he does all these demonstrations with this thing not falling off, so it does a pretty good job. So there is your flash. And so what this helps do is it helps, there you go. So it helps distribute the light in a 360-degree angle, which is nice. And then also comes with the dome. And so the dome could go in either way. It could go in inside like this, or it can go on the top like this. Alright, and probably can't really see it on camera, but the light is going everywhere instead of just in a directed direction. We'll go ahead and take that out, and this is collapsible. So what you could do is you could just put this face down and kind of guide it, and you can get that. So if you didn't want, if you wanted a direct flash, you could always just go ahead and collapse this, and you have it right here. Now this is the position that you would need to have your flash unit, so you could put your color gels in. So what you would do is, I guess you could just put this like that. You just have it in like that, and then you could pull this tab when you're done, you know, ready to take it off, and then this one will flash red. You can't really see it on, let's see. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but that's that. You could pull that off, and there's a few of the different colors for that. And so let's go ahead and install the snoot, and we could see what that looks like. Okay, so I have here the power snoot, which is already on the flash. It is very, very, very similar to the Lightsphere and how it mounts. It has the Velcro straps and the 4 tabs. Go ahead and just slip that right over your flash head and tighten down your Velcro. And what I love about these is the Velcro is on the outside, and there's no Velcro that's adhesive or that sticks to your flash unit, and so that's what I really, really like about this already. Up here you would go ahead and install your honeycomb grid. It's fairly simple. You just take this. You go ahead and just take this and just pop it right in. You need to wiggle it in just a little bit, just like that. But it's a little bit difficult to get in, but it's kind of nice because then, you know, it's not going to fall off. And then this will give you a more directed flash instead of a diffuse flash. It's going to be more direct, which is really nice. All right. And so that is everything for the Gary Fong. That is my unboxing for the Gary Fong Lightsphere Collapsible kit. Let's go ahead and pan out on here. It comes with everything you see here. There's a lot to read, so I'll go ahead and read that. And then hopefully I'll get a review for you guys soon.